this is Purnima Devi, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So these are all my mentees. So they have to discuss about the library management. So which is based on a DT based project. So in this they have to discuss about what is the empathy of that particular library management. So in this we have to follow 5 stages. So in these 5 stages, which is useful to develop a project in a perfect manner. So in this they have to find out n number of solution for the particular problem statement. So from that we have to choose the one better option which is matches with our real world. So it's all satisfy the user need which we have to given by the customers. So let's we discuss about the DT based library management system.
So, our project title is Library Management System using object-oriented programming concepts. In traditional libraries, most activities are handled manually. Managing books, maintaining student records, issuing books, and calculating fines takes a lot of time. Sometimes records may be lost or entered incorrectly. Students also face difficulty searching for book quickly. So we identified the problem and decided to create an automated library management system using OOPS concepts.
Now I am going to explain the empathy stage. We understood the problems faced both the students and the librarians. Students needs fast book searching, easy issue and return process, accurate due date information. And the library needs easy maintenance of the records, reduce paperwork, automatic fine calculations, better management system. We observed the manual system increase workload and consume more time. We understood user needs and the library needs and difficulties. We planned a smart digital solutions.
Ideate stage. In the ideate stage, we decide to develop a library management system using OOPS concept. OOPS concepts are class and object. We created classes such as book, student, librarian, encapsulation. We protected data like student details and book records using private members, inheritance. Students and librarian classes inherit common properties from the user class, polymorphism. Different search methods are used for searching books like title, authors and IDs. Abstraction, complex internal operations are hidden from users.
Now I am going to explain the prototype stage. We designed the system with different modules. Main modules are add book, search books, issue books, return books and fine calculation. Then system flow. Student logs into the system, searches for a book, issues the required book, returns the book, fine is calculated automatically if delayed. The prototype demonstrates how the system works in real time.
So the solution part we're going to look about it. So far everyone was discussed about what the issue is by Rakshita. So we can easily identify what the problem is happening here, because in the college or in school there is a lot of a million of students and teachers also they are accessing a library nowadays. Whatever we have an online or any chat GPT like this kind, but reading from the book is the main important thing. So students are preferring a library so much. So we also have a providing books to register this of the book you all taken, this all the book you all written. Somehow we have a note or pen like that book. Still we have a software technologies also used, because only the paperwork is not can be trusted, because student can be mocked us. Maybe our staff silliness sometimes can be they will left out the paperwork. So maybe student the name will be marked as not written book for the end of the semester. So we using online OOPS concept here. So abstraction, polymorphism and inheritance, this is all very helpful to get that all the book details, all the student who are logged in, what when they walk out, all the details is stored. So in the solution part, the main thing is reducing the paperwork and very efficient to the students, and also the staff members should be very efficiently use their time, not because they just tracking all the students what they are doing. They can just enter the roll number of the student and get whatever details they want. Still we providing paperwork, because library is the most common thing for very famous for that book and stamp thinking. And so far we already looking all about, I think we can ended up that meeting to understand. So the problem, the main we rectified, and also empathy defined whatever thing we have discussed in the determined here. So here we know the code reusable, easy for user efficient thing was because using abstraction, user can easily access that. And the end part of that is inheritance, because one student can access any kind of books. So we very in-depthly inheritance topic is included here. So what about you, ma'am? This is all we have done for this month.
So yes, in this DT based concepts, so we have to use the empathy and the prototype part, which is more suitable to find out the better solution for our project. So in this we have to use the OOPS concept, that is inherited abstract. So these are all more secure and it reduce the code reusability for our project management. So in this we have to use the OOPS concept for the development of library management is better option to use these all the things, and we have to most suitable for the customer satisfaction. Thank you.